The word we'll be learning in this video is kyocho, which you will often hear in meetings, presentations, news reports, and everyday conversations when someone wants to highlight what matters most. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, "He emphasized the need for clear communication. The report places strong emphasis on safety measures, and teachers often emphasize practice over memorization in Japanese." Let's get started. Kyocho, kyocho. The word kyocho means emphasis or stress, and the act of emphasizing something, used to point out importance or draw attention to a particular idea or detail. The first kanji means strength or force. You can see it in goto, where it suggests force used in a robbery. You also see it in benkyo, where it adds the sense of effort to studying. And of course, it is the main idea in tsuyoi, the word for strong. Its on reading is kyo, and its kun reading is tsuyoi. The second kanji means to check, tune, or adjust, and it often shows investigation or organization. In chosa, it means an investigation or survey, checking facts. In docho, it indicates aligning or agreeing with others. In chori, it gives the idea of arranging or preparing food. Its on reading is cho, and its kun reading is shiraberu. The teacher emphasized the importance of safety. 先生は安全の重要性を強調した。先生は安全の重要性を強調した。He emphasizes his opinion. 彼は自分の意見を強調する。彼は自分の意見を強調する。I will highlight the word. 単語を強調表示します。単語を強調表示します。He emphasized and stated his opinion. 彼は自分の意見を強調して述べた。彼は自分の意見を強調して述べた。The most common synonyms of the kyoto are jushi and juten. Jushi focuses on valuing or regarding something as important and is often used when explaining priorities. Juten refers to a focal point or the main emphasis and is more about where attention is placed rather than the act of highlighting it. Kyocho often implies actively stressing or drawing attention to something. The most common antonyms of the kyocho are keishi and mushi. Keishi means to downplay or treat something as less important and implies diminishing its significance. Mushi means to ignore or disregard completely and is stronger, indicating no attention given at all. Both contrast with kyocho, which involves highlighting or stressing importance.